Hi. So today I'm going to talk about 5 self-help books that will help you to mold yourself in a way that will have a positive impact on your life. So let's get started.
The Art of War by Sun Tzu.
This book was written 1500 years ago, and Sun Tzu was a Chinese military strategist. So this book talks about all the warfare tactics that you can still apply to your day-to-day life, like in your business, in your job, in your personal life, and so on. This book emphasizes on the fact that you are constantly in a state of war, and that introspecting your strength, weakness, along with all the positive opportunities and threats that lies in your surrounding will actually help you to strategize an effective plan which will help you to achieve all your goals.
The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
Story here is set in ancient era and it revolves around an Andalusian shepherd boy named Santiago. Santiago actually dreams about his treasure being buried in the sands of Egypt beneath the pyramid. So Santiago's journey from Andalusian Spain to Egypt will reveal a lot of things. It's full of twist and turn, and it will help you to understand the true purpose of your life, your goals, and how important it is for you to embrace the journey towards your goal to actually enjoy the essence of true success.
The Secret Letters by Robin Sharma.
So this book was actually gifted to me by my friend, and the story revolves around a person named Jonathan. Jonathan's life is a kind of mess because he's unable to manage his personal and professional life. So this person, Jonathan, meets another person called Julian, who is actually a high-profile lawyer. And Julian sends Jonathan on a quest to collect secret letters from all around the world. So I won't be revealing the places that Jonathan visits because as you read the book, you get engaged in the thought that which will be the next destination that Jonathan will be visiting. So during his journey towards collecting secret letters, he meets different people whose life is actually governed by various principles of those secret letters. So during this quest, Jonathan is able to find out the true meaning of happiness, his purpose for life, which actually will also enlighten you in living a better life. This is so relatable to me because even I like traveling, and every time when I visit new places, I'm able to enhance my perspective about life.
How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie.
So in this book, Dale Carnegie talks about ways in which you can develop relationship, maintain those relationships, and how you can influence others, which can help you, especially in your professional life. It talks about ways in which you can express your opinion in a more humble and kind way, so that your critics are well perceived by others.
The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy.
So this book is actually my personal favorite, and I have been reading it again and again, and every time I read it gives me positive vibes. So this book actually talks about power of your subconscious mind and how you can use that power to gain success, health, wealth, and happiness in your life. So it talks about ways in which you can develop positive attitude and positive thinking, which will help you to gain control of your own life to achieve anything and everything in your life. So I hope this video was insightful, and if you have read any of these books, please let me know in the comments how it has changed your life. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. Bye.